In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail and Google Calendar together tutorial. We'll turn an email into a polished calendar event, send invites, and keep your schedule visible right alongside your inbox so you can plan faster with fewer clicks. Start in Gmail and open the email that contains the meeting or event details you want to schedule. Scan the subject line and message for the date, time, and any agenda notes. Gmail often detects dates and makes them clickable, but the easiest way to capture everything at once is to convert the email into a calendar event. Use the option in Gmail to create a calendar event directly from that message. Depending on your layout, you'll find this under the More menu or by clicking a small calendar icon near the top. Gmail will pre-fill the event with the email subject as the title and copy the message body into the description, so you have context right inside the calendar. If there are attachments, you'll often see them suggested for the event as well. Now review and refine the details in Google Calendar. Confirm the date and time, and double-check the time zone if attendees are in different locations. Adjust the duration, add a location or room if needed, and include a Google Meet link with one click so everyone has a join option. Add guests by typing their email addresses and set reminders that fit your style, such as a desktop notification 10 minutes before and an email the day prior. Use the description field for an agenda, and attach related files from Drive or link a shared document. If you keep notes in Google Keep, reference them from the side panel to keep everything aligned. When everything looks good, click Save and send the invite. Attendees will receive an email with RSVP options, and you'll see their responses right on the event. If you make changes later, Calendar will prompt you to send updates so everyone stays in sync. To manage your schedule without leaving your inbox, open the Calendar panel on the right side of Gmail. You can peek at your day, jump into events, and quickly create new ones while you triage email. It's an easy way to stay focused and avoid constant app switching. For recurring meetings or team routines, use calendars templates and repeating options to save time. Automate reminders so nothing slips, and let overlapping event alerts help you avoid double booking. Finally, tie it all together with Drive, Docs, and Keep so your schedule and your work live in one seamless workflow.